CI Scholar. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I am Manisha Bharat, English educator of Countryside International School. Dear children, before starting our lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Dear children, do you know why we eat food? Yes, we eat food to survive. Yes, to live our life. Huh? Okay. So, dear children, do you know where we get our food from? Yes, we get our food from plant. Yes. So children, we are going to study a beautiful story about plant. Let's start.
Chapter number 1, Our Useful Plants. Little girl tells us how plants make their food and how important plants are to us. So children, we are going to study a beautiful story about a little girl who is saying a story and its experience. This is our family, mother, father, little brother, Tommy and I. You remember our visit to the zoo the other day? We met Tommy's friends and saw leopards, tigers, monkeys, zebras. They were all looking out of their window. From my window, I can see lots of trees. Behind our house, we have many plants. As we get bigger, so do plants and trees. And so does Tommy. Why does everything grow bigger and get bigger? Tommy, the leopard, the tiger, and the cow, the buffalo, the kit and kin, and everything with life must eat to live. All that eat must grow. That's why when I refuse to eat, mother says, if you don't eat, you won't ever grow. The lion and the tiger eat meat. We saw them being fed at the zoo. Mother makes our chapatis from flour. The greens we eat come from our vegetable patch. We mix them to make our meal. But did you know the rose, the marigold, the champa and the mango and all these plants we see make their own food. All these plants and trees suck water from the earth and breathe just as we do. And when the sun shines, the green stuff of leaves is their diet. They make their own food. In a large home, we cook our food in the kitchen. The mango tree is also large. Where does it make its food? In all trees, it's the leaves that make the food. All trees, their leaves are their kitchens. It's said that the food is made. The more the leaves, the more food they make. The bigger the tree, the more it needs to eat. So the bigger the tree, the more leaves it has. That is why if the leaves are broken, the tree cannot grow big. Some plants store their extra food underground. Carrot, potatoes, peanut do this. There are some trees which keep their extra food out of reach. When we are hungry, we pluck their food and eat it. Some animals do the same. Goat nibble at leaves. Cow and buffalo chew grass. Elephant gobble up whole branches. Deer can't live without plants and trees. If there were no deer, leopard and tigers would not be able to survive. In other words, even the meat eater need plant to remain alive. Every day we eat chapatis made from the flour of grounded wheat. But we cannot make wheat all by ourselves. The food that the eggplant, ladyfinger and marrow make from themselves, that the vegetable we eat. The poor thing work so hard to make all this food and we take it from them, cook and eat it. Animal cannot cook, so they eat raw. Of the inhabitants of the earth, only plants and trees make their own food from water, air and sun. We do not do it, nor can anyone. Okay, children. Let's see its hard words. First one, remember. Second, leopard. Third, everything. Fourth, kid. Fifth, king. Sixth, patch. 7, breathe. 8, stuff. 9, underground. 10, hungry. 11, pluck. 12, nibble. 13, gobble. 14, marrow. Okay, children, hope you have understood this hard word. Now, let's study its words to know. Meaning. Kith and kin, what is the meaning of it? Friends and relatives. Patch, a small piece of land where vegetables and fruit are grown. Third, stuff, a green material found in leaves used by plant to make food. Fourth, nibble, means to take small bites of something. Fifth, gobble, means to eat something very fast, almost without chewing it. Sixth, eggplant, means brinjal. 7, marrow, long and thick vegetable with dark green skin and white flesh. Thank you, student.
Okay, children, hope you have understood this story well. Dear children, I have given you the hard words and the meaning. Copy down its hard words and meaning in your notebook, whichever notebook you have at home. Okay, study well. I will meet you with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.